Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do ads on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll mainly be using this Help Center article on Etsy, which I do recommend you check out because it does have a lot of useful information. The reason I'm using it is because I currently have difficulties in setting up my account fully because I do not want to add any fraudulent information. I don't want to sell anything on Etsy at the moment, so I don't have any need for it, but I don't want to add any information, for example, bank information, which is incorrect, just to avoid any problems. So let's get right into it. Now, to set up Etsy ads, you need to go into your shop manager, which is what I can't access, which is why I'm using this guide. But yeah, you need to go into your shop manager, then on the seller app, select more, choose marketing, go into Etsy ads, set your daily budget, and this should be the maximum amount you would like to spend per day. The default minimum budget daily is $1, and you can change this budget at any time. Then you can select start advertising. Then you can select the countries where your buyers see ads in. Just go to the shop manager, go into more again, go into settings, shipping profiles, choose edit for the profile you want to update, then add or remove locations, and then select save profile. And then you can choose which listings you would like to advertise by going into Etsy ads, choose manage advertised listings, then find the ones that you want to start or stop advertising and search through your listings or filter them by section or advertising status. Then select the button under add on or off to include or remove a listing from the ad campaign. To add or remove multiple ones, just check the box next to the listing you want to turn on or off. Then go turn listings and select on or off from the dropdown and choose update, and that should be it. There is other information here that is quite important for ads. However, I do recommend you check that out for yourselves. This is just a basic video on how you can turn it on. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.